Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. This is the second in the series of video tutorials for my sewing pattern, the Delmar Wristlet. To make the Delmar Wristlet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website at the link below. This video series walks you through the instructions while you're sewing the Delmar Wristlet. Once you've gathered all the supplies covered in my previous video, you're ready to begin. Always save your PDF file first, then print from your saved PDF. Measure the 1-inch test square to make sure that your pattern pieces are the correct size. With your pattern pieces printed and cut out, you will need to assemble piece K for the card pocket. Your sewing pattern includes a cutting chart with all of the pieces, fabrics, and interfacings designated. Following the solid lines marked for fabric, and either the solid or the dashed lines indicated for interfacing, cut out all the fabric and interfacing. Some of the interfacing pieces are cut smaller than the fabric to reduce bulk in the seam allowances. Pattern layout diagrams included with your pattern also help you as you cut out the fabric and the interfacing. Follow the diagram and place the pattern pieces where indicated, then cut them out. Print out the labels included with your pattern to organize all of your cut fabric and interfacing pieces. With all of your pieces cut out, you're ready now to fuse the interfacing. Set aside card pocket K and your strap L and their corresponding interfacing. These will be treated uniquely later on. Locate pieces A, B, D, E, and F. You will need the woven interfacing cut the same size as these pieces. Beginning with piece A, place the fabric wrong side up. Place the piece of woven interfacing cut the same size as the fabric directly against the wrong side of piece A. Fuse the interfacing according to manufacturer's instructions. Then repeat with pieces B, D, E, and F. Set aside the D zipper band pieces for now. We will now layer the smaller woven interfacing directly over the first layer. Beginning with piece A, be sure the pattern piece is flipped wrong side up, and center the smaller piece of woven interfacing directly over the first one so that there is a 1/2 inch frame without interfacing all the way around the pattern piece. Fuse the interfacing as you did previously, and then repeat with the smaller woven interfacing and pieces B, E, and F. Once again, locate the D zipper band pieces and lining I pieces and their interfacings. Beginning with one of the lining I pieces, place the fabric wrong side up. Place the woven interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric, lining up the interfacing with the top edge of the fabric. There will be a 1/2 inch frame of fabric without interfacing on the sides and bottom edges. Fuse as before, and then repeat with zipper bands D, lining up the interfacing with the top edge. And this is to reinforce the fabric where the zipper will be installed. Locate piece C, H for the optional wristlet tab, and J. Beginning with piece C, turn the fabric wrong side up. Then center the woven interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric, leaving a 1/2 inch frame without interfacing around the edges. Repeat with piece H, the optional wristlet tab. However, if you plan to clip your wristlet strap to the zipper pull, then omit piece H. Also, center the interfacing on lining slip pocket J, centering it as you did with piece C and H. Cut a 1 1/4 by 8 1/2 inch piece of ultra firm stabilizer. This will be for the base of your wristlet to give it more stability. And then following the dashed lines for your tab, cut out a piece of ultra firm stabilizer for that as well. You will also need a scrap of ultra firm stabilizer for your turn lock, approximately 1 by 1 inch. All of your pieces for the Delmar Wristlet are now prepared. Join me in the next video as we begin making the wristlet together. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!